Welcome at Gleefa Craft. Hello, friends. Today we learn how to make a beautiful origami lotus flower using easy steps. So, let's get started. Take a pink color origami square sheet. You may choose any color as you wish. Keep color side down. Fold paper in half diagonally as shown. Again, fold in half diagonally on other axis. Crease well and unfold. Fold the paper as shown to make triangle shape. Again, fold to make triangle on other side. Now rotate the paper as shown. Fold the right corner to along the bottom and crease well. Also, fold the left corner and crease well. Flip over it. Once again fold both corners as folded before. Attach right side with right, and left to left as shown in video. Fold both corners along to center. Flip over it. Fold both corners along to center. Now lock them as shown. Blow air with the help of your mouth. Then, take out petals shown in the video. Your flower will look like this. Now take a green square origami paper to make a stem. Now roll the paper start from the corner. Then put stem into flower. Wow! Your lotus flower is ready. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.